2, 1.
I want you to just focus on the swinging motion of the rocket. Your head perfectly still, just follow the rocket motion with your eyes. I'm going to count backwards from 3 to 1. When I reach number 1, I would like you to close your eyes and just let your mind drift. As soon as you hear number 1, I want you to imagine yourself on a calm, quiet beach. It could be a beach that you have visited before and that you love. Or it could be a beach that it's only in your fantasy. As soon as you close your eyes, I want you to imagine yourself on this beach. And imagine the warm ray of the sun on the tip of your nose. And you can feel the warm ray of the sun on your forehead. You can feel the warm ray of the sun on your shoulders, the center of your body, on your thighs, the back of your thighs, on your knees, and each part that you feel warm and relaxed, it will make you even more relaxed. And you may even feel the warm sand right underneath your toes, slightly moist, slightly wet, slightly warm. 3, 2, 1, sleep. That's right. Just let yourself go. And sleep. A deep breath in. That's right. Still imagining the warm ray of the sun on your forehead. Still imagining the warm ray of the sun on the tip of your nose. Still imagine the warm ray of the sun on your chin, your shoulders, on your fingertips. Feeling so good, so comfortable. And as you do, you'll find your body just slowly melting into the warm ray of the sun. And it is the most blissful, satisfaction kind of feeling that flows through your mind and your body as you find your body starting to melt and sink deeper and deeper into the chair. That's right. Still feeling the warm ray of the sun on your chin, on the center of the body, to your elbow and fingertips, all the way down to your thighs, knees, and toes. That's right. You can still feel the warm sand right underneath your toes. Feeling so good, so warm, so comfortable. Now in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. When I reach number 3, I would like you to open your eyes and stare at the rocket watch again. The next time you go into hypnosis, you'll go 10 times as deep as before. You feel 10 times as warm. And this peaceful, melting sensation will intensify 10 times as deep as before. 1, 2, 3, eyes open. Stare at the pocket watch again, just like you did before. want you to imagine yourself back on that comfortable beach. That's right. You can feel all of the feeling and sensation that you felt before. This time, as soon as you close your eyes, I want you to be able to hear the sound of a seagull flying on top of your head. You'll be able to hear the sound of children playing in the background. You will be able to hear the sound of the ocean waves caresses against the shore. Each sound that you hear in the back of your mind will take you 10 times as deep into hypnosis, make you feel 10 times as blissful, 10 times as good, 10 times as relaxed. This time, when you close your eyes, as soon as you do, you'll find the sensation of bliss and the melty sensation that you felt with the heat of the sun. Just intensify 10 times as much, taking you 10 times as deep, making you feel 10 times as good. 3, 2, 1, sleep. Take a deep breath in. That's right. Just let go. Let go completely. I want you to imagine the sound of a seagull flying over your head right now. That's right. And you can see and hear the children off playing in the distance. That's right. And you can hear the sound of the ocean waves caresses against the shore. Each wave relaxes you 10 times as deep. Each wave brings you 10 times as blissful. Each wave takes you 10 times as deep as before. And I want you to imagine that your whole body is melting away. And you can feel this heavy, sinking sensation that flows through your body. It's making your arms heavy. It's making your legs heavy. It's making your chin heavy. Heavy, loose, heavy. Feeling as if your entire body is sinking through the chin, all the way down. That's right. Now with your eyes closed, I want you to be able to visualize every part of this beach vividly. You can see every grain of the sand. You can see every shade. You can see all the white of the waves against the shore. Everything is just so vivid, so detailed. That's right. I want you to imagine that your entire body is sinking all the way down. All the way down through the chair. All the way down to the floor. That's right. Just relax your arm. Just relax your wrist. That's right. That's right. All the way down, deeper and deeper. Feeling so good, so calm, so wonderful. That's right. I'm going to count from 1 to 3. When I reach number 3, I would like you to open your eyes and stare into the pocket watch again. As soon as you open your eyes and see the pocket watch, I want you to count very slowly backwards from 5 to 1. With each number you count, you find yourself relaxing even more. With each number you count, you find yourself drifting twice as deep. With each number you count, you find yourself feeling twice as sleepy. When you reach the number 1, you're going to close your eyes and drift 10 times as deep into hypnosis. 1, 2,
2, 1.
Now back to this beautiful beach. Off the distance you can see a small house. A small, nice little cozy hut. It's very colorful on the outside. It has an orange roof, 2 large windows facing the front, and a purple door. I want you to walk over to this door right now. Put your hand on the doorknob and open the door. That's right. And inside this house, you see a large, comfortable, lazy chair. This lazy chair is made up of velvet, and you can see a large purple cloth that drape over it. I want you to go and sit on this comfortable lazy chair right now. That's right. And as soon as you do, you feel your entire body enveloping by this very comfortable, lovely lazy chair. And you can feel your entire body being surrounded by this calm, comfy, lavender shaded chair. As if your entire body is floating, floating, floating into a cloud. And you feel this warm, comfortable lazy chair just start to turning into a mist of some sort, surrounding your entire body in this warm, lavender shaded, misty chair. You can see this chair and this mist that surrounds you turns into a cloud, floating further and further away. That's right. Taking your body further and further away. Taking your mind further and further away. That's right. And as you do, you can still hear the sound of my voice. And allow the sound of my voice to take you deeper and deeper. It is the sound of my voice that you trust. And this is the sound of my voice that you trust completely and totally. And in this deep, relaxed, hypnotized state, everything you hear from my voice will be real. Everything you do will bring you joy and satisfaction. Anything you say will be uninhibited. Anything you do will be totally free. That's right. Taking you further and further away. Feeling so free, so good, so uninhibited. Each word you say, everything you do under hypnosis will bring you tremendous amount of bliss, tremendous amount of pleasure, tremendous amount of joy. As you fall further and further away, I'm going to count backwards from 5 to 1. When I reach the number 1, you find your conscious mind and self-awareness just drift so far away, and you will not bother you at all. excessive, it has to be closed shut.